Hello, my friend. Today, I will introduce myself to you. But before that, please watch this entire video because there is a surprise for you at the end. So, keep watching. My name is Peter David. I am a boy and I am 7 years old. I live in Liverpool. My father's name is Mr. David, and he is a businessman. My mother's name is Mrs. Olivia, and she is a teacher. My sister's name is Anna, and my brother's name is Robin. I study in the 2nd standard, and my school's name is Wisdom Public School. English is my favorite subject. My favorite food is ice cream, and my favorite color is yellow. I love to watch cartoons. My hobbies are dancing and reading. I want to become a doctor when I grow up. That's all about me. Thank you. Okay, now you guys might be wondering where the surprise is, and that is... Ta-da! I have ice cream for you. Come on, my friend, have it. Now, we are friends, right? Okay, now introduce yourself. What is your name? Ah, nice name. How old are you? Where are you living? Which standard are you studying? Oh, it's time for class. Nice meeting you, my friend. Goodbye.